Hi, yeah, this is Tanya Meadows with Apple Tree Homeschool Academy and Apple Tree Home Daycare. And today I rearranged our daycare, so I wanted to give you a little mini tour of just this room. As you know, our daycare extends out into the rest of our home, but I just worked on this room today. Let's go ahead and get started. So when you first walked in my room before, the daycare room had a dramatic play center right here on this side, and I rearranged it and put a little book area right here. That's what this looks like here. Then we'll go on the opposite side. We're doing a fireman theme this week, or firefighter theme. So I move this shelf over here. This is what we have for our firefighters. It's hard to believe I started out with only that fire truck, that big one on the bottom. This is a sensory table with a top on it, and I'm just using it as an extra table for now. I got these 3 little cars here and a couple more and a set at Sam's Club. Pretty sure I got this set at Sam's Club. Then what I did was I moved my dramatic play over here to the other end of the room. This is my swivel rocker, and I took on a 7-month-old, so she has her swing in here. Got toddler toys here, circle time stuff here, sensory basket of sensory toys here. These are all kind of larger pieces. I said I have toddler toys on this side. Some like ball pit and gear toys in here. Each one of these have different items. This one is I just emptied today. This one is little people cars. I also emptied out that number 3. This is what our new dramatic play area looks like. Got the Melissa and Doug grocery store and a little Fresh Mart. And the kids, I got this at Once Upon a Child, and the kids love it. That little cake right there, it's one of the most popular things in our room. So behind here are some dramatic play housewares. Then that gets extended over here on this shelf here. And in those little bins are some plasticware and little dishes and things for dramatic play. Then as we come around, this is the back side of the little food mart. This really does make noise when the buttons are pushed and things are slid across. Now this sign here kept falling off. I hot glued it today. Try to make it a little bit more sturdy. The kids love playing with this basket here. I have a little pretend purse that someone gave me. And this is a Melissa and Doug metal shopping cart. And then this other shopping cart was gifted to me. Then as you come around, we have our circle time area here with a grill and a basket of grill food on the stair beside of it. Then as you come on around, we have a play mat that I hot glued to the wall. And we've got a train table that very rarely has a train on it because I use it for a themed table for whatever theme we're working on. So small world play here. My age group loves the little people sets and similar sets like it that are a different brand. I think I got this fire set at Walmart, and then I collected the other pieces through the years. Now behind this table I put the easel here, and I did so because the little 15-month-old figured out that these magnetic tiles will stick up on here, and I've got more, but I've just put a few out. And then this is another center that they can play at. arch blocks and blocks in a little bin right here, little canvas bin. Now, as you come around, you'll notice that I have a wood stove here. It's not hooked up right now, but I did get it used, and I will not be burning that while the children are here. It's just for emergency heating, and we'll be getting this hooked up at the end of November, which is why I'm rearranging this room. I will be removing the bookshelf from over here, and I put the pack and plays over here because the children will only be in those one time a day, and it will not be a fire hazard because I'll have this wood stove turned off. But I've been decorating today, put some fall decor out. And then as you come around, we have a changing table here. Now I did have this gate folded to come along here, and I moved the pack and play here, and because this is not being used right now, this is a spare pack and play, and I have a 15-month-old that keeps coming and throwing toys into my trash can, and so I've just pulled this out and I stretch it across to keep him out from this area, and then I can just bend this. I can just open this up here, and these go on the porch when it's nice out. So it's a significant change from what I had before. I said dramatic play was here, all the way down through this section right here, and we've moved it to the opposite end of the room. So I hope you like our daycare, and this will change when I change my themes out. But like I said, the babies are hardly ever in here, and I can pull this pack and play out, as well as this little walker as well. I can pull this out when it's time for the 15-month-old to go down for his nap. So if you like this video, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great week.